Do you know how many years it will take for your money to double? Well, there is a thumb rule for everything, and in investing, there are some rules that you must know. If you are a beginner in investing, you are at the right place. Hello and welcome. I'm Pallavi Sharma, and you are watching Money Magic with ET Now. Let's begin. Today, we tell you how to make your investment process easier by explaining some thumb rules of investing that every investor should know. Let's start with the most interesting one, the rule of 72. We all want to know when our investments will give us 2 times returns, and this rule does just that for you. With the rule of 72, you can find out how many years it will take for your money to double. All you have to do is take the number 72 and divide it with the current rate of return of the investment instrument that you are interested in. Say you have invested 1 lakh rupees in a product that gives you 6% rate of return. If you divide it by 72, you will arrive at 12. 12 is the number of years that will take your money to double from 1 lakh rupees to 2 lakh rupees. Coming to the rules of investing, first we need to understand how much money should we invest. As per the 50-30-20 budgeting rule, 50% of your income should go towards needs, 30% towards wants, and 20% towards savings. Out of the 20% savings, experts recommend 5% to save and 15% to invest. At first, we usually look for the rate of returns from our investments, and there comes the 10-5-3 rule. It says that one should expect 10% returns from long-term equity investments, 5% from debt instruments, and 3% average rate of returns from savings bank accounts. Next is the 100 minus age rule. This is a great way to determine asset allocation, like how much to invest in debt or equities. For this, you just need to subtract your age. Say I am 24 years old and I want to invest 10,000 rupees. So subtract 100 by 24, it comes to 76, which means I should invest 76% of 10,000 rupees, that is 7,600 rupees in equities and 2,400 in debt. Same way, if I am 35 years old, I will invest 65% in equities and the rest in debt. Now the 10% retirement rule. Once you start earning and saving enough money, you can start investing a little by little for your retirement. This rule suggests save 10% of your salary for your retirement and increase it by another 10% every year. Say you have started to save for your retirement as soon as you started earning at 25 years of age and your salary is 30,000 rupees. So 10% meaning 3,000 rupees goes to your retirement savings. If you increase it to 10% every year in 35 years and 10% rate of returns, you will get 3.4 crore total in your retirement kitty. You can then invest it in NPS or any other retirement fund. A detailed video link of this is given in the description. Do check it out. Now, after investing all of this money, when can you call yourself wealthy? All you need to do is multiply your age with your gross income and divide it by 10. If your net worth is equal or more than this amount that comes out of this, you can be called wealthy. This is a formula that was used in a book called The Next Door Millionaire. For more such interesting news and views, keep following ET Now.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.